Hello, and welcome to the YouBazz Entrepreneurship platform. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys a little tour of how the inside of the entrepreneurship platform actually looks. That way, if you're having doubts or you're second guessing yourself, I want to show you exactly what it is that we offer inside of this platform so that way there's no guesswork and you guys know exactly what it is that you're getting, the content that you're getting, and what it is that you're expected to receive. Now, I understand if you're a little bit hesitant, and I understand that most people have purchased courses individually and paid anywhere from $500 a course, $2,000 a course, up to $5,000 a course. And after buying these courses and going through the material, you find yourself losing money and not actually making money on these courses. Well, what we've done is we've actually found the top instructors in the industry that are making at least seven figures per year, which is $1 million or more every single year, and are actively training students and teaching students and are actually showing students how to make six figures per year, which is $100,000 plus each and every single year. And we went ahead and we found all these instructors in one platform and we licensed all of their courses so that way we can offer it all to you guys. Okay, so let me show you a quick sneak peek of what we're talking about here. Instead of paying for each individual course, you might say you're interested in e-commerce and then you're going through the e-commerce platform and you're learning the step-by-step process and you're like, you know what, this isn't for me, I want to do something else. Well, what we've done is we've given you every option that you can possibly choose from. Now, before we begin and before I show you the material, I want to let you know these courses are high quality courses and they're not just a do-it-yourself type of course. We have instructors actually going over their shoulder and you are showing you exactly what it is that you got to do, how to do it, where to click, every single thing, where to get traffic from. These instructors are taking you step by step over their shoulder and showing you everything it is that you need to do so that you guys can create passive income each and every single day and every single month as well. So we have e-commerce, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, automation, Etsy, we have CPA marketing, we have ClickBank affiliate marketing, six figures per month affiliate marketing automation. We have Amazon Kindle, ebooks, Forex, YouTube, how to master YouTube Shorts, and how to get 10x commissions on YouTube affiliate marketing commissions, cryptocurrency, finance. This finance course actually shows you how to reinvest your money and double and even triple your money every single time you do it. So this actual finance course is very, very beneficial and helpful. We have NFTs, domain flipping, freelancing. Domain flipping actually shows you how to buy domains and flip them for a profit. Freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. And we even show you marketing and advertising. We show you how to do Facebook ads, to become a master in Facebook ads, Bing ads for beginners, and whatnot. Over here, we have some VIP courses. These VIP courses are meant for more intermediate to advanced students. So once you begin doing the other courses and you start making money, you can jump onto this and it'll show you how to automate your business to reach up to 100,000 plus per month. I know it's a lot of money, but people are doing it out there from these very same courses, from these very same instructors. So we're going to show you guys exactly how to do that. And on top of all of this, we are going to offer you guys a traffic vault. Now, this traffic vault offers you underground traffic secrets that multimillionaires are using that they will never talk about. And we're offering all of that inside of this membership. We're showing you how to get pay-per-click ads, social media marketing, SEO, email marketing, display marketing, content marketing, traffic secrets, where you go to these vendors, you tell them this is my website or this is my business or whatever it is that you're working on this platform, and you tell them I want 100,000 eyeballs, I want 1 million eyeballs looking at my business, I want them to be interested in this specific business, and you're receiving the highest quality traffic of people that are actually interested in your opportunity. Now, guys, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, all right? We're not offering courses for you to pay for each and every single time. If one doesn't work out, you know, you lose out on your money and whatnot. We are offering a membership. We licensed all these courses and found all the best instructors that are actively making over $1 million a year and helping students make over 6 figures per year each and every single year. Thousands of students have taken these courses, and you're just at the beginning right now, guys. This membership is at a very low cost, okay? Once you sign in, once you become a member, you pay a low monthly fee each and every single month, and you'll start having access to any course that you choose from. Now, let me show you a little bit of what they look like inside. You have your introductions, you have your setting up your Shopify stores, learning it, connecting your payment, shipping rates, setting up taxes, legal pages, connecting your domain, designing your store. Literally, it takes you step by step over the shoulder. How to create your Facebook pixel, how to start advertising it, your first ad, applying SEO. Literally takes you through every single step. Let me show you another one, just so you guys understand. Let's go to YouTube, for instance. YouTube Shorts Mastery. You got the introduction, copyrights, how to create the channel, how to upload videos. We literally take you step by step over the shoulder, and it's being taught by instructors that have mastered each and every single course. Don't allow your dreams to remain dreams. Take action. You can start creating passive income and making money and changing your life and your family's lives today. I hope to see you guys on the inside. This is just a sneak preview just to show you guys what it is that you're getting firsthand. So all the skepticism and all the doubt goes away, guys. Take action today, and I hope to see you guys on the inside in the YouBazz entrepreneurship platform. Good luck and see you on the inside.